Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover the best time to visit Vietnam. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about the best month to visit Vietnam. Also post your favorite season to go to Vietnam in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. Vietnam is a Southeast Asian country known for its beaches, rivers, Buddhist pagodas, and bustling cities. It is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Asia, and if you're looking forward to visit Vietnam in the near future but confused about what is the best time of year to visit Vietnam with family or friends, watch this video till the end to clear all your doubts regarding when is the best time to visit Vietnam. The country is blessed with a tropical monsoon climate, which divides the weather into two seasons. One is the southwest monsoons, and the other is the northeast monsoon. The southwest monsoon brings showers to the west-facing slopes and two deltas in the country, whereas the northeast monsoon brings showers to the Gulf of Tonkin and the central coast, extending until the central highlands' eastern edge. With these two being the basic seasons, the entire country notices changes based on the time and the topography. The weather picture of Vietnam is pretty complicated, and hence you cannot generalize a particular season as the best season to visit Vietnam. Each part of Vietnam experiences different temperatures at different times. Hence you can drop in at any time in Vietnam to get the best of the country. Overall best time to visit Vietnam. The best time to visit Vietnam is from March to April, when rainfall is low and temperatures are milder. In a country more than 1,600 km, 1,000 miles, long, the weather in Vietnam varies considerably as you go from north to south, from a temperate to a tropical climate. While this variety makes Vietnam a year-round destination, spring, March to April, is typically the best time to visit the entire country, when days are generally pleasant, temperatures are moderate and rainfall is light. Tropical monsoons bring heavy rains and occasional flooding during other parts of the year, while extreme temperatures can make summer days uncomfortably hot and sticky. Below is a guide for the best time to visit different regions of Vietnam. When to visit North Vietnam, Sapa, Hanoi, Halong Bay. The north of Vietnam experiences cold dry winters from December to February, where overnight temperatures can dip to 4 degrees Celsius, 39 degrees Fahrenheit. The summer months, May to August, are typically very hot and humid. The best time to visit northern Vietnam is during spring, March to April, and autumn, September to November, when days are generally warm and sunny. When to visit central Vietnam, Hoi An. The coast of central Vietnam is often battered with typhoons during its wet season. It's difficult to predict when these heavy rains and hurricane-like winds can hit coastal cities like Hoi An, but generally typhoon seasons runs from August to November. The rainy season usually subsides in February, when you can expect warmer temperatures and more sunshine. While travelers will experience pleasant weather in central Vietnam anytime between February and August, sunny 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit, days are the norm in July and August. When to visit South Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City, Mekong Delta. South Vietnam experiences warm, pleasant temperatures year-round, making travel good at any time. The dry season generally runs from December to May, and a rainy season runs from June through November. While flooding can occur, rain usually comes in short bursts and rarely impacts travel. In fact, the monsoon season is often the best time for photography, as dramatic thunderheads float across the Mekong Delta and rice fields turn a vibrant emerald green. Some, however, might find temperatures unbearable from March to May, when the mercury regularly reaches 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Vietnam travel seasons. High season in Vietnam, July and August. Best time to go for beach lovers. July and August are the busiest months to visit Vietnam, with prices increasing by up to 50% by the coast. Book hotels well in advance. The whole country, except the far north, is hot and humid, punctuated by spectacular summer monsoon downpours. Shoulder season in Vietnam, December-March. Best time to go for visiting Hanoi and HCMC. Winter in Vietnam tends to be drier than the summer months, but also colder. Expect chilly conditions in the north, but in the far south, clear skies and sunshine are the norm. If big cities are your thing, shoulder season is a pleasant time to be in both Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City, with reliable weather and good temperatures. Although, during the Tet Festival, late January or early February, the whole country is on the move and hotel prices rise. Low season in Vietnam, April, June and September, November. Best time to go for exploring the whole country. Low season in Vietnam falls on the transition period from winter to summer and summer to winter, offering unsettled weather that can provide glorious days of sunshine, but also days of rain. It's a great time to visit for those who want to avoid tourist crowds, or those looking to tour the whole country, with weather not notably awful anywhere. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite season to visit Vietnam in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too.